It needs to get out.
Alright, come on.
It's not a picture.
It's not a picture, it's video.
I know.
What do you think you're getting?
Clothes. That's what I always get. Clothes.
It was inevitable. You had to get it sometime.
Seriously.
That's why we saved it for last.
Thought you were just getting away with pajamas.
It's the weed. It's the weed. It's the weed.
Hey, Dad, what is it?
What is it, dude?